Hey friends, what is up? My name is Alex and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are doing makeup right now. I have to get ready anyways. I'm actually going to dinner and a movie with my hubby. So I figured I would just turn the camera on, and there are some days like we can have date nights to where I hate when you're married you have to call it date nights. Like anything we do together to me is a date. But anyways, so we can have date nights to where I can literally go fresh out of the shower, not a single ounce of makeup, in sweats, and just have a great time. And then there are other days where I want to get dressed up or put makeup on, and today is one of those days. So let's go ahead and get ready. If you guys want to hang out with me, chat a little bit, put on some makeup, stay right there. For today's eye, I think I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Let's go in first with this shade right here, which is Sandalwood. Next, we are going in with Suede, which is this taupey grayish color here. This color, it's kind of tricky to blend out, so the key is to kind of start with a little bit and just build it up. So I'm gonna use a brush like this. There is a little bit of product on there from another color, but do we care? No. So I'm just gonna start blending and building this into the crease. I cannot believe that I didn't record the last few minutes. Part of me wants to start over, but I'm just like, damn. So what my camera didn't pick up was me going into my Too Faced Gingerbread palette. I also mentioned that Too Faced makes great palettes, and this is currently my favorite. I went in with Spice of Life, and I applied it with my finger. So I just got a little bit of this here, and then just pressed this along my lid. What's cool is you don't have to really place it down kind of perfectly, because all you do is just go in with the brush and blend out the edges. This kind of makeup style with eyeshadow is kind of like my go-to style. I don't like to spend a whole lot of time doing cut creases and putting concealer and doing all that. I mean, I think it's cool and it's a real art. It's just not what I like to do when doing my makeup. So a lot of times, if you're not sure on how to place your shadow or where to put what, it's super easy to just get a couple transition colors, put it in your crease, and then get a shimmery color. You'll always want to apply it with your finger because you get the best color payout that way, and just press it along your lid. This shadow style can be used with so many different colors and different eyeshadows. I really recommend it if you're not really sure how to start when it comes to eyeshadow. Super easy. All I use is 3 shadows, 2 transitions, and then the shimmer on my lid, and I have a whole look. I am not applying liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pop on my lashes. For today, I'm using these Kiss 01 lashes. They're similar to the Ardell Wispies. All right, so now we can move on to the face. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Pro Filter foundation. I use shade 235. I'm gonna put a couple pumps on my hand. And I'm gonna take my Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator and add a couple pumps to this. Or maybe we can just do one, just one. I'm gonna mix it up here with my sponge and then apply it to the face. Whoa, ooh, you guys got a little close there. All right, and as you guys have seen in recent videos, I'm trying not to wear concealer. It's not even that I need to try to do it, it's just that I'm not doing it. Concealer on my skin, it just, especially in the summertime, it just builds up and it doesn't look cute, and I don't like looking like I have a ton of shit on my face. It's just my vibe, okay? So next we're going in with Laura Mercier's translucent powder to set underneath the eyes. I do still set even though I don't put concealer on, just because I have foundation on that I want to set. And the Laura Mercier helps me to not crease. Let me go ahead and put my bib on. Just flip up my shirt real quick. Next thing I'm doing is going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder. We're gonna set the rest of the face and also dust off that loose powder. I'm gonna finish my eyes. Taking this black shadow here, and I'm gonna use this just to kind of set the liner. Basically just press this along the lash line where I put the liner. This helps the liner to not bleed or smear. It's always good to set it with a powder so that it stays put. Taking Suede, which is that taupey gray that I put on my crease, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with that color. Mostly focusing this to the outer corner towards about the middle, stopping about right there. I'm gonna put a different shade in the middle. In the Huda Beauty palette, I'm taking Henna, which is this orange shade here. With the same brush, I'm just going to run my brush along in there, and then this I'm gonna set right on the inner corner. Just dragging it into the gray suede color. Going in with the fluffy brush just to kind of blend all of it together. I like to use lash primer on my lower lashes. I feel like it helps separate them, and it really does help them look thicker when you apply your mascara. I like the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. Originally, I was not going to add liquid liner to my top lid, but I think it needs it. NYC liquid liner. I'm not gonna add a wing. I'm just gonna add like to the top lash line. Going in with my Fenty bronzer in the shade Island Ting. Let's bronze the face. For blush today, I'm going in with my City Color Be Matte blush palette. I'm going in with Blackberry, which is this middle shade here. Okay, now we can highlight. Let's see, what do I want to use? Let's go in with Soft and Gentle by MAC. This is a light, this is a natural highlight, but it definitely can, if you build it up and apply enough pressure, it can be a really pretty bright glow, if that's what you're into, which is what I'm into. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I love a bright highlight. Wet our brush and apply this to the inner corner as well. I didn't contour my nose, but I am going to, just because it's looking a little wide. Hoola bronzer, this is perfect for contouring noses, that's what you're into. Okay, since we have all of our face powders on, let's go ahead and set. I'm using my O for Makeup Fixer. Going to line my lips using my Huda Beauty Bombshell lip liner. So this was part of a set that I got with the lip liner. This is the Huda Beauty Bombshell Liquid Matte Lipstick. This was actually a birthday gift from one of my really good friends. Thank you, Des. So once we finish the lip, this makeup look is done. What do you guys think? Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave today. All of my socials are listed down below in the description box, so link with your girl. Let's chat, let's talk, let's be friends. I will see you soon in more videos. Bye.